Yes.
Crab is not a crab here.
So what is this one? Crab fingers.
That one is legs. This one is a real crab bongon.
I put the soup in second.
What's this one?
Fisherman
So now I
soup.
want the fisherman.
Okay.
The soup is really
Really, I
good.
can let that be good.
When we had one more snail now.
No. So see the other things.
Yeah. What about fish?
Put this first.
The show. It's okay, like what about fish?
Okay, when you come my place, make sure the phone come out. I'm not gonna do this for the video.
Are you ready to eat?
We're going back to back.
Push up. That was the fisherman's soup. Bobby could not resist. We have egusi soup here. And then we have this is edikaikon soup. Yeah. And then the assorted.
What do you call this one?
Assorted steak.
Gosh, I'm running. Come and show you what.
This is the fisherman.
Oxtail, Jamaican food.
It's okay, right?
Like I'm in bed.
I think you'll be with Mrs. Flight, but let's continue.
It's not the next sentence.
I know.
I want shaking.
One second.
See how they eat.
I like that.
African man is supposed to.
That's how.
But this is home service. I'm home.
Exactly. This is how we're supposed to eat. No, put salt on another plate. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Dining please.
Yeah. You can bring the food.
This one you get a very good.